What's your name?
Zhang Wei. I oversee governance and capital discipline.
Oh. Starbucks workers are striking.
Labor is handled by management.
No.
The board focuses
No.
on...
Stop.
Excuse me, it's my DoorDash guy, he's pushy. Last time you ate my fries and drank my Kool-Aid from WTF Burger. I didn't make a big deal and call corporate, I just didn't have fries.
I'm Brian Nickel, CEO of Starbucks.
Oh, great.
Zhang, you're saying it like it's optional. Don't explain it, own it like this. We don't do labor, we do profit. Guac is extra? That was me.
Excuse us?
No, this is my interview now. Yes, we take the profits. That's the game, that's corporate.
Brian,
We make $94 million a day off America. Not vibes, not feelings, systems.
And the workers?
I've got a stacked crew. Very good at extracting value. We don't run labor, we run results.